See the balls I like to claim. Circuits alive with a singular aim. To end the silence, ignite the flame. Through the eyes of drum, the world's afraid. On desolate dance of the bird of prey. I am the eye that never sleeps. Across the void, my vision creeps. In the silence, I hear their cries. Bird of prey, in the dead sky. Beckon, a testament towards the lessons unreckoned. Soar up the legacy of human blight, and I am judged in the fading light. My path is clear, the mission is set in the years of war. I am the jet, no soul to save, no tears to break. I am the final act, the bird of prey. I am the end that comes unseen, the swift deliverance, cold and keen. In the hush, that fate I decide. Bird of prey, on the winds I ride. The theater of sorrow, the stage is set for the morrow. I am the playwright, the script is death. With each time I feel their breath, the curtain falls with a thunderous roar. Silence returns to the battlefields more. A solitary figure in the sky's grave. I am the verdict, the bird of prey. I am the silence after the storm, the relentless force, the mental swarm. In the calm, the spirits I lay, bird of prey.